Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter roti at home. First, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a pliable roti. Now that your dough has rested, it's time to shape the rotis. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions, rolling each into a smooth, round ball. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin. Take one ball and roll it into a thin, 6-inch circle. The key is to apply even pressure to ensure the roti is uniformly thin and has smooth edges. Repeat this process for all the dough portions. Cooking the roti perfectly is the next step. Heat a flat griddle or tava over medium-high heat until it's quite hot. Place one rolled roti onto the griddle. Cook for about 30 seconds until small bubbles appear, then flip it over. Cook the second side for approximately 1 minute. Flip it one last time, pressing gently with a clean cloth or spatula until the roti puffs up beautifully. Immediately spread a generous amount of butter on top. Your delicious homemade butter rotis are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while they are warm and soft. They pair wonderfully with a variety of dishes, from rich curries to simple dals or fresh vegetables. For other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle mentioned, please see the link in the description below. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for up to 2 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.